Subramanian. Once again, welcome back to Kesaria Textile Manufacturers. I hope all are safe and doing great, and everyone has enjoyed this summer vacation with the family and kids, right? I also enjoyed. Now the kids' school has been started. Every mother have to rush every day, the regular schedule, right? The very most important for every housewife, they are also a working woman, right? Being a mother, being a woman, we have to run the family, we have to run the commitments, even we have to work. That is what woman power, right? So hope you enjoyed all this summer vacation with this family, and today I am at the live Kesaria shop. Today I am going to take you to the logistic department. What all the activities are going to happening, and how the customers are doing the online purchase and expanding or exploring the business. You have also an opportunity. If you are in a housewife, if you are a working woman, you want to start up any business, the clothing business is very a profitable business, and which is the biggest opportunity where manufacturers are providing you. And you can also purchase, you can start your home-based business, you can plan the boutique, and no matter you want to come and you want to do the live purchase, you can also do the live purchase. Here it's a reception. It's a live reception. When you come here, the executives will support you based on your language, based on your state requirements, and in your location, what kind of collections are mostly preferred for every. Karnataka is having a style, Tamil Nadu is having a style, Andhra is having a style, Kerala, North Indians are having a style. That is what the culture, where we have a different clothing apparels. Thus, the manufacturers also manufacturing many more collections. I'm going to take you to the logistic department. Keep watching this video, subscribe the channel, and there is a case area where you'll get a lot of support for the online purchase, visit purchase. So when you're coming for a visit purchase, when you couldn't travel for the visit purchase, but the manufacturers are supporting you with the online team based on the telephone conversation, WhatsApp call, voice call, video call, etc., etc. Subscribe the channel. There's a bell icon. Just click it. Keep watching this video, and I'm going to take you to the logistics. Here are the bunches. Here are the bunches of the packing, which you can see how the packing which has been done, which is safe and secure. The boxes over here, this is the entire boxes. Here the customers are watching, and they are coming for the shopping also. You can also do the live shopping over here. These are all the boxes where I can show you the case area, which is very most important, how the manufacturers are giving you the safe and secured. What the investment, what the money, either you put 10,000 bucks, either you're putting 20,000 bucks, either you're putting 3 lakhs or 20 lakhs. It's a bucks. It's a money is a money, right? So everyone is responsible for their investment. So the manufacturers also based on your investment, they're also taking responsibility. What kind of collections you're purchasing, what kind of collections you're ordering, how the online services, how the billing procedures has been done, how safe and secured your collections are coming. This is what the manufacturers are busy. And if I talk about this year, what the months May and June, as we have come up with a half of the year. It's not completed, but almost is going to complete. When the June is going to complete, the season is being starting. When the season is getting started, you have to get alert, and you have to keep doing advance orders. Why? Because not only India, pan-India, worldwide, we are providing you the shipping, where here I can see it's going for packing already. This is the pamphlets, where you can see the pamphlets over here. These are all the pamphlets where you can get the informations. The business, be your own boss. When you are being your own boss, you are the king, you are the queen, you are the individual responsible. When you are taking individual responsible, no need to come and, hey, what are you doing, man? What is life going on, man? Kitna kama liya? Kitna profit hua? No need to worry about others. People will keep on talk. People will keep question you. You have to focus on your journey. You have to focus on your business. Be your own boss, how it is written. This is what the pamphlets which you are giving here, the complete women's apparels where you can sari, kurti, lehenga, salwar suit, dupatta, blouse, bottom wear, night wear, many more collections. Not only the kids collections, even men varieties also. I'll just show you. Here is a one more bunch. Here is a one more bunch. So before getting started, see here also the pamphlets and the covers where this is what everything you're getting. See the pouches also you're getting. All these varieties and the benefits what you're getting. This is kids collections also. Here they purchase the kids collections over here. And this is a half of the box which has been almost packed. And here are the collections which are kept. These are all varieties. And I'll just show you every state we have so here is a stock, now the empty box where you're watching here, and I got some online bills. Online bills, the half of the year is going to complete, the season is going to start. Before the season is going to start, you have to be alert for your business, you have to keep stock for your product to make your sales and to make your festivals, to make your customers happy, and satisfaction is most important. I'll just show you the bills where we are providing the services, which is Tamil Nadu, Chennai, which is Udaipur, I can say it's a Rajasthan, and where we got the many more bills over here, and which is Madhya Pradesh bill, which is Ahmedabad. Lot many bills I got it because we have a systems and we have an online team which is a chain unit team where the online process how the collections are being ordering. See so much of collections he has on ordered. The bill value you can see almost here 43,000 bill value. You have a bill value of 70,000. You have see one of the customer has purchased so much of quantity of the collections. You can also plan advance. See received payment, and there is a stamp over here, the sales quotation, Kesaria Textile Private Limited. In this I can tell you what the benefits we are giving you is 100% assurance of the online services or offline services manufacturers are giving you when either you're doing online business, online purchasing, how you're purchasing. Are you getting your product safe and secure? Are you getting your products which is well being packed? This is what the benefits stable manufacturers are providing you. So friends, before the season is getting started, get ready for your season business. Put in your efforts. Be your own boss for your business, either boutique business or shop or online or home-based business. You want to plan, invest based on the Kesaria manufacturers is going to support you to guide you. So in this way, you can almost purchase these kind of varieties. And for more information, keep watching the channel and the website pages, social media pages, follow it, subscribe the channel. Don't forget from which city you're watching the video and keep following me. Please share with your friends, relatives, everyone. There's a bell, just click it and the link share with your friends, relatives, with everyone. Keep supporting me. Next video, we'll meet up with new more collections and videos. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.